Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to enable background download on Telegram. For this you can just open the Telegram app. So once it's open, you will have to click to the top left three horizontal lines of settings. You will have to click to settings. So what to do, you will click to data and storage, and here is the three options: when mobile, using data, and when connect to Wi-Fi, and when roaming. So these three options you will have to make sure turn it on, so it will be downloading on background. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.